In this question, two statements are given, and in the context of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1: chromosomes become gradually visible under the light microscope during the leptotin stage. Now, this is true. During the leptotin stage of prophase 1 in meiosis, chromosomes begin to condense and become visible under the light microscope, and they appear as thread like structures at this stage. Statement 2: the beginning of the diplotin stage is recognized by the dissolution of the synaptonymal complex. This is also true. In the diplotin stage, the synaptonymal complex, which held the homologous chromosomes together during the zygotine and pachytene, begins to dissolve. And this leads to the chromosomes separating, except at the points where crossing over has occurred, that is, chiasmata. So both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Thus, the correct answer is option C.